Good morning, it's Tuesday, April the 21st, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 3 great press releases from the Canadian side, 2 from the US side, no halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Nayarit Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol NYG. No, it's not the New York Giants, Mr. Peter Grandich, but hopefully they have a great season this year. Now, the company is announcing additional drill results from its 30,000 meter Phase 2 drill program at the Orion District in the state of Nayarit, Mexico. I've got some great highlights coming out of the company. Hole number 193 recorded 26 meters of 3.3 grams per ton of gold and 272 grams per ton of silver. Now, in terms of gold equivalent, it's 7.8 grams per ton of gold equivalent, or it's 472 grams per ton of silver equivalent. So pretty astonishing numbers coming out of Nayarit. In addition, we've got hole number 200, which recorded 12 meters of 3.4 grams per ton of gold and 307 grams per ton of silver. In gold equivalent, it's 8.5 grams per ton, and in silver equivalent, it's 511 grams per ton. Now, a little bit about the company. They're a junior resource company dedicated to gold exploration in the proven precious metal districts of Mexico. Management's goal is to build a profitable resource company and maximize shareholder value through successful exploration programs and continued development. They're last at 47.5 cents, 52-week high of 80 cents, low of 25 cents, and the market cap of approximately $31 million. Now, disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. Now, moving on to Emerald Bay Energy. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol EBY. The company is reporting reserves at the end of the year for 2008. They're announcing that they've increased the company's reserve, which includes total proved plus probable reserves, which increased to 44% over last year's numbers. So they've gone from 425,000 BOE barrel of oil equivalent to 611 for 2008. Net present value of the proved plus probable reserves increased 43% to 11.2 million, and that's up from 7.8 million last year. And the reserve life index increased 35% to 10.5 years, and that's up from 7.7 years reported in 07. A little bit about the company. They're based in Calgary. They're a junior oil and gas producer with production properties in Western Canada and South Texas. They're last at 8 cents, 52-week high of 18 cents, low of 2 cents, and a market cap of approximately $3 million. Moving on to Detour Gold. They trade on the big board on the TSX under the symbol DGC. They're announcing drill results from its 100% owned Detour Lake property in Ontario. We've got an additional 46 holes totaling 20,000 meters from its 2008 infill drilling program at the Detour Lake project in northern Ontario. Highlights include hole number 529, which intersected 1 gram per ton of gold over 58 meters. And we've also got 2.1 grams per ton over 69 meters, so great numbers there. We've also got hole number 546, which intersected near surface 2.6 grams per ton over 36 meters. And that is a little bit about the company now. They're a Canadian gold exploration and development company with a primary focus to advance the Detour Lake property located in the Abitibi Greenstone Belt in northeastern Ontario towards development and production. They're last at $10.56, high of $25.40, low of $2.85, and the market cap of almost $500 million. Moving over to the U.S. side, we're going south of the border. Cyalume Technologies, they trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CYLU. The company is announcing a significant contract. It's a purchase for $6.1 million of their green ammunition payloads. That's right, folks, I said green ammunition payloads. It seems like the contract is for ammunitions which are environmentally friendly. Kind of an oxymoron there, but nonetheless, big contract coming out of the company. A little bit about the company. They're the world leader in chemiluminescent industry, providing dependable light for uses by militaries, police, fire, and other public safety organizations in the U.S., NATO countries, and the Middle East. They're last at $3 off their 52-week high of $14.15 and the low of $2.50. market cap of approximately $45 million. And finally, we've got Turbosonic Technologies. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol TSTA. They're a provider of clean air technologies, and they're announcing the receipt of an order for $2.3 million from a European refinery. Now, the refinery will incorporate Turbosonic's technology for controlling particulate emissions as an integral part of the upgrade of its physical plant. A little bit about the company. They design and market air pollution control technologies to industrial customers worldwide. They're last at 43 cents, 52-week high of $1.37, low of 45 cents, and a market cap of approximately $6.5 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.